एक गहरी सांस अंदर, taking in divine and out with Om.
स्लाइड हो गया।
आप कमेंट करो। मैं रोटी खाई देर से खाई थी। चाचा कौन था?
Anita, mute.
Deep breath in, taking in divine love, divine beauty, divine light, filling every pore of your body. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. Shri Brahmanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Vishvatitam Gagana Sadrusham Sadguruntam Namami. Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Jai Gurudev. Wonderful. Hello, 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 everyone. Namaste, namaste.
जय गुरुदेव सर।
Jai Gurudev. नमस्ते अनीता जी।
हाँ जी।
हाँ हाँ, आपको मिले हैं हम पहले, आए
हाँ
हैं आप
जी।
पहले।
हाँ जी। हाँ जी।
हाँ, ओके, वंडरफुल। हेलो मीरा जी, आप हमेशा आउटडोर ही रहते हैं या कभी कभी घर में जाते हैं?
At this time I'm out.
हाँ What?
At this time, by chance, I'm out every time.
I've never seen you indoors. You're always outdoors.
Next tomorrow, I'll connect from home.
No problem. Outdoor, indoor, everything is fine. I'm just wondering, कि indoor भी है ना?
Yeah.
कि सिर्फ outdoor.
No, I just get down at this time only for 15 minutes. This is me time.
This is your me time outdoors.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So anyone has anything to share, any insights, any realizations, any understanding, any event, incident, good, bad, beautiful, ugly?
That I am celebrating me. That day was like every day it's ringing in our head now, you know.
Correct.
We've learned to celebrate life because of you.
Wonderful. Yeah, I still have to make that invitation card. लेकिन शायद जरूरत नहीं है.
Yes. We can repeat also today. We'll be in bliss.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah, we forget. We are always in a waiting mode. इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि ये हो जाएगा, उसके बाद लाइफ बिगिन होएगी और तब मुझे देखना आप. उसके बाद मैं बस.
This so I've always said, Sanjay bhai. Always, this is a patent line in my vocabulary. उसके बाद मैं खुश होएगी, you know. So that day, बस. This is so, my God, you तो stirred me only.
Correct.
ये होने दो फिर मैं खुश होगी, you know.
हाँ. We are continuously in a postponing for some reason. बस ये थोड़ा सा अभी प्रॉब्लम है. बस ये हो जाने दो फिर देखना. बस ये एक प्रॉब्लम बस लास्ट. और जैसे ही वो प्रॉब्लम जाता है वो जेब में पूरा लिस्ट इंतजार कर रहा है. राइट.
एक काम खत्म होता है तो 5 ऐड होता है नया.
5 नया ऐड होता है.
तो खत्म ही नहीं होएगा.
वो खत्म होने वाला भी नहीं है.
नहीं है. That is, we are not satisfied.
या खत्म नहीं होगा.
We can't say greedy.
No, not greedy also. That is
but
life.
But also we want more and more.
We want more and more, and that is what life is. Things happen. Things are remaining to be done, remaining to be achieved, remaining to be understood.
Our requirement will be extended.
Yeah. Correct. Very nice. So realizing no need to postpone. उसके साथ में ही, along with the whatever the issue is, उसके साथ में ही celebrate करना है. उसके साथ waltz करना है. जो भी समस्या, जो भी pending, जो भी सामने है, उसको लेके डांस करना है. उसको लेके celebrate करना है.
मजा करना है.
हाँ, उसके बाद नहीं, उसके साथ पार्टी. जो भी आपका लिस्ट है, ये प्रॉब्लम है, वही तो. See, there is हमारा जो आइडिया है सेलिब्रेशन का, वो भी हमें ठीक करना है. What is celebration? Is it possible to, let's say you go to a wedding party, शानदार पार्टी है और खाना पीना, डांस, म्यूजिक, decked up, beautiful location, beautiful place, and fantastic food and fantastic music and fantastic people. Okay, तो हम सोचते हैं कि wow, that's the ultimate celebration. Wow, ये celebration है, इसको बोलते हैं celebration. क्या celebration है? But let me ask you a question. How long can that party last? 2 hours, 3 hours, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 4 hours, बहुत चला तो 5 hours, 6 घंटे चलो. What after that? Can you celebrate forever? Can you celebrate all the time? So ये हमारा जो डेफिनेशन है ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन, वो भी हमें ठीक करना है. Just one second. So when we Friday पे हमने जो बात की, celebrate life, celebrate life. So what is this celebration that we are talking about? So let us become clear on that also. What do we mean by this celebrating of life? तो हमारे मन में जो इमेज है ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन, ओके, डांस, नाचना, गाना, खाना, पीना, झूमना झूमना, that's not what it is. That's not what we are talking about. It's a much, if you want to celebrate life, you means आपको उस अवस्था जो जिस वैसी अवस्था चाहिए जिस अवस्था में आप हमेशा रह सकते हैं, इटर्नल, ऑलवेज, वैसी वाली अवस्था जो जिसको हम अगर सेलिब्रेशन कह सकते हैं, तो वो सेलिब्रेशन, not the kind of celebration which is party and this and that. By the way, nothing wrong with parties, nothing wrong with good music, nothing wrong with great food, nothing wrong with, beautiful atmosphere and people and friends and people you love and enjoying their company. Nothing wrong with that party. I'm not saying that that is excluded. It's fine. But when we talk about celebrating life, it has to be something deeper. It has to be something that can last, an inner dance that can happen all the time. The inner dance, inner joy, inner beauty, inner okayness, which can be with you forever, anytime, all the time. So like वो जो हम जो invitation card की बात कर रहे थे Friday को, so the card says you are invited to your party called life, called your life. And the venue is anywhere and everywhere.
Time?
And the time is now.
No.
Time is now. Venue is anywhere, everywhere. Time is
No,
now.
but now and every moment.
Now and every moment.
Forever.
Now and forever. This invitation of your
Yeah.
life celebration does not end. It is all forever. So actually, so it is that party. It is that party where you can be in all the time. It is not the dhai 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 wali party. So that inner, so what is that celebration? What is that like? What is the quality of that? When does it happen? What is it like to be in that space? So, bolo.
परम शांति, अपना दिलनी परम शांति.
दिलनी परम शांति, exactly.
No?
Param
Okay.
Shanti je kahiye apne, that celebration is what is possible all the time. So, for example, you are outside, but anyway, close your eyes. Close your eyes and be in one place and don't fall down. But everyone who is at home also, just close your eyes and be with yourself, knowing that I am this. I am this. Whatever is there right now, I am this. And this moment is full. This moment is complete. This moment does not lack anything. There is nothing lacking. There is nothing that you are missing. There is nothing that you are lacking. You are whole. You are complete. There is nothing that you need to get rid of. There is nothing that you need to gain right now. At least right now, there is nothing that you need to do. At least right now, there is nothing you need to add. At least right now, there is nothing you need to subtract. At least right now, you are complete, whole. Not craving anything, neither money nor fame. Right now, nothing matters. You are here right now. Fame can happen tomorrow, wealth can happen tomorrow. But right now, there is nothing. Right now, there is nothing else that you need. There is nothing that you need to be more than what you are. There is nothing more that you need to do than what you are doing right now. There is nothing more that you need to have right now than what you already have. So take this moment in which you are in this space, encapsulate it, freeze it, lock it, know it, feel it, see it, understand it. And ask yourself the question that if this moment would simply be the only moment there is and go on like this forever in this state, would it be okay with you in this moment where there's nothing missing, nothing to be added, nothing to be taken away? ये पल जिसमें आप सिर्फ है, शांत हैं, ये अगर यही पल हमेशा चलता तो क्या ये ठीक होता आपके लिए भी? Would it be okay, this right now, whatever is, where there is nothing wrong, there is nothing right, there is nothing higher, there is nothing lower, it's just you and this moment. How long can this last? If it were to last into eternity, is there any problem? Is there any issue? So, okay, slowly open your eyes with. So, क्या लगता है आपको ये जो अवस्था है आपकी अभी, जो उस पल में है, जो आपने टच किया, अनुभव किया, were you okay? Were you okay? Yes. Were you fine? Were you okay? You were fine. Yes, you were okay. You were totally okay. You were totally fine.
It was like a
This
full acceptance of ourselves.
full acceptance of ourselves just means, and this moment, not just
Yeah.
ourselves, but everything.
Everything. Yeah.
Everything. Not just
Yeah.
me, but everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
Everything. Encompassing
Just
everything.
whatever is right now is just
Yeah.
fine. It's just fine. So, like we were saying, a party can last for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. But ये जो अवस्था आपने अनुभव की अभी, which has been with you all the time available, उसको कोई टाइम लिमिट है क्या? Would you say कि बस अभी बहुत हो गया? पार्टी यूड से बहुत हो गया, खाना यूड से बहुत हो गया, शोर मचाना बहुत हो गया, डांस बहुत हो गया, खाना हो गया, पार्टी हो गया, म्यूजिक हो गया. बट टू दिस मोमेंट you would never say बस बहुत हो गया. अरे this is it, you're just there, and this moment, nothing missing, nothing to be added. So this moment, this what you experienced, this is the celebration of life. This is celebration. This is what celebration looks like. This is what celebration feels like. This is what happiness looks like. This is what happiness feels like. This is what happiness is.
Worthy. थोड़ा सुन.
So this, ये जो आपने देखा, yeah, seal the moment, take this moment with you everywhere, because it is yours and it is always available. And I've got another news for you. This now that you experienced in that moment, the now, वो इनविटेशन कार्ड में टाइम जो हमने लिखा नाउ, तो जो आप है असल में, उसके लिए नाउ के अलावा कोई टाइम है ही नहीं. उसके पास सिर्फ नाउ ही है. अनुभव के तौर पे नाउ के सिवा समय does not exist. There is only now. Has anyone ever experienced a future? Experienced the future? No. That's easy. Let me ask you the next more difficult question. Has anyone ever experienced the past? लगता है ना? लगता है, yes. Yeah, I have experienced the past. Yes. Anyone has experienced the past?
Memory.
We've gone through the past, so we've experienced the past, right?
Yeah. But have you experienced a past? Have you experienced a past? No.
At that moment, yes.
At that moment, what were you experiencing? Past or present?
Oh.
Yeah, exactly.
At that moment, present.
Exactly. At that moment, you experienced a now. At this moment, you are experiencing a now. At any point in your life, have you experienced a past?
No.
No. At any moment, you only experience now. There is only now, the eternal now. So at an experience level, there is only now. And हमारा first principle, याद है सबको? First starting point of the entire journey, first principle of the whole journey, which we have all, if you are new to Open Door, you may have not heard it, but let me repeat for those who have not heard it.
Live in the present.
No. The first principle for beginning this journey into truth, we are in a journey on truth. What is the first principle, Jennifer ji? Yeah. You said it, but you're on mute. Bolo, sabke liye bolo.
We are doing an experiential journey.
It's an experiential journey. Our only criteria, our only yardstick, हमें पता लगाना है कि सत्य क्या है, और हम सिर्फ एक ही यार्डस्टिक यूज करेंगे, और वो यार्डस्टिक है अनुभव. नहीं कि किसी ने कहा, नहीं कि किसी ने सुनाया, नहीं कि मैंने कहीं पढ़ा है, नहीं कि मुझे लगता है, नहीं कि मेरी ये मान्यता है, नहीं कि मेरा ये ओपिनियन है, मेरा अभिप्राय है, मेरा मेरा ये विश्वास है, none of that, no matter how attractive and beautiful it sounds, our only criteria for knowing something is true or not true, हम एक ही टेस्ट लगाएंगे, ये सत्य है या नहीं है, देखना है। अनुभव के तौर पे हमें अगर लगता है और हम समझते हैं कि ये सत्य है, हमारा और आप अपने तरफ से, गुरुजी ने कहा, मैंने कहा, कि वो सब छोड़ दो, आप अगर अपने आप को देखते हैं और आपको अनुभव होता है कि हाँ ये सत्य है, तो उसी को हम सत्य मानेंगे। जैसे मैंने जो हमारा प्राइमरी क्वेश्चन है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आर यू देयर, आप है, और आप बोलते हैं है, और आप अनुभव के तौर पे बोलते हैं है। आप डॉक्यूमेंट देख के नहीं बोल रहे, कोई किताब देख के नहीं बोल रहे, आप किसी ने गुरु ने कहा वो नहीं बोल रहे, आप खुद बोल रहे मैं हूं, क्योंकि ये मेरा अनुभव है। सो अनुभव इज आवर ओनली टेस्ट फॉर ट्रूथ, and if you say so and it is your experience, that's it, that is your truth. So now, so does if somebody has never experienced anything, if somebody has never experienced something, if somebody is never going to experience it, then would we believe in its truth? Yes or no? अगर किसी ने अनुभव नहीं किया है, किसी ने, आपने तो नहीं, किसी ने भी नहीं किया है, और किसी ने ना तो कर रहे हैं, ना किया है, ना करेंगे, वैसा कोई बात है, तो उसको हम सत्य मानेंगे या नहीं, उसको छोड़ देंगे साइड में, उसको छोड़ देंगे। तो ये पास जो है, ये ना तो किसी ने अनुभव किया है, ना कोई कर रहा है, ना कोई कभी भी करेगा। तो पास्ट का एग्जिस्टेंस, अस्तित्व को हम बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा देंगे, वेरी बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क। इनफैक्ट वी कैन let it go, it doesn't exist at the level of ultimate truth, which is what we are on the journey to discover. At the level of ultimate truth, past does not exist. At the level of ultimate truth, future does not exist. The only existence is of now, only now, eternal now. और वो इनविटेशन कार्ड पे जैसे हमने कहा, वेन्यू एनीवेयर एंड एवरीवेयर, एक्चुअली वो भी नहीं है। एट द लेवल ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस देयर इज ओनली वन वेन्यू।
हाय,
जगह क्या है? जगह, वेन्यू,
हाय,
प्लेस। या बट वेयर इज दिस आई लोकेटेड? एड्रेस चाहिए ना, अवेयरनेस और आई का। ये पार्टी में बुला रहे हैं आप, तो देना पड़ेगा ना पता, कहां, वेयर इज दिस आई लोकेटेड? कब? क्योंकि पार्टी को जाना है, टाइम बोल दिया, नाउ जगह भी बोलना पड़ेगा। जगह,
Here.
एग्जैक्टली। हाँ, बट अंडरस्टैंड,
Where I am, that is here.
where I am, where I exist, which is here.
Here.
Exactly. There is only here. There is only here. So again, just like we asked the question about past and future, let us examine that one also. So first of all, this is a very big jump if you have taken the jump. The past does not exist. The future does not exist. There is only now. Only now. At an absolute level. जो असल में आप है, उसके लिए ना कोई भूतकाल है, ना भविष्य है, सिर्फ यही है. This is it. This is it. तो हम ये जगह का भी अभी अब देखते हैं. Has anyone experienced any other place? Just like you have never experienced a past, you have never experienced a future. Have you ever experienced any place? Have you experienced any place other than here? So let's say you went to America. What did you experience? Did you experience America or did you experience here? Where was that experience?
Here.
The experience was only
Therefore,
here.
Here.
When you are in India, Pratibha Ben,
Yeah.
where do you experience India? Where is India experienced? In India or America or here?
Here.
Here.
Where I was or I am.
Where you are present. Wherever you are present.
Yeah, that's true.
So
Yes, I am listening here.
You are listening here.
Here now.
Here and now. Exactly. You are listening here and now. All experience only happens here and now. There is no other place.
Good.
It looks as if I go to places. I move to places. But for the I that you are, everything appears here. Everything appears here. And everything is experienced here. Here. Only here. There's only one place, here. And there's only one time, now.
The extract of it is I, here and now.
I hear now.
Now.
Yes, I hear now. I hear now. The party is I, the participants are I, the location is here, the time is now.
Time is now.
And that time of now, of celebration of life is available. So where do you have to go to find this here where you're going to, where you can have this celebration? Where do you have to go to sell in order to celebrate here?
Heart.
I am already there.
Heart nahi baba, you are already there. Where you will go?
Oh, no, means
Inside you.
we have to, means મનથી બરાબર વિચારો means કે heart ને feeling થાય.
Yeah.
That's what. That's why I say heart.
I know. It is in a way because see we are
All concentration.
yes, in a way it is like that. So the location is fixed. Where do you have to go in order to celebrate? Nowhere. You're already there. You don't have to go anywhere. And when will this party begin? Yesterday? Can it begin yesterday? Can this celebration happen yesterday?
Party is on.
Party is on.
On.
Yeah, it cannot happen yesterday. It cannot happen tomorrow. It can only happen not even this morning, not even any time in the past. It can only happen now. And how far do you have to travel to get to this now?
No requirement of car, no luxurious clothes.
No.
Wasting time on traveling.
Yeah, no wasting time on traveling.
That is the benefit of this party.
Correct. There's a benefit of this party. You don't need to go anywhere, and you don't need to
Party
go anywhere
clothes.
in time or in space. So, okay. So, at the ultimate level, what are you doing? What do you do? Is there anything that you do? Do you do anything?
Nothing.
Give me an example of something that you do.
Listen to you.
No, but for that party, we don't want any companion or any guide.
Correct. No guide, no
For
companion.
that party, no companion, no guide.
Not required. Not required. So example of doing something you are saying is, so is the I, that is the ultimate reality of you, does it actually do anything? Or is it the body that does things? The ears listen, the ears are hearing, the sensory is happening in the ear, and the brain is processing the sound, and listening is happening. But does it do anything? Does I do anything? Just like I doesn't go anywhere. As you saw, I is only here. I is only now. In that same I ultimate we are talking about, has that I done anything?
Automatic.
But who is, what is doing? What is the action? What is the, where is, what is the one that is moving through space and time? The I is not, first of all, only in the now. It does not, you don't experience anything except the now. You don't experience any place except the now. Do you experience any action or activity for the I? Does the I experience at an experiential level? Is there anything available for action to happen even, other than body and objects and things like that? It is not doing anything either. It is all just happening. There is no doing. Everything is just happening, happening. And that is what the journey is, becoming more and more into the happening of life. Yeah, Lopa, my sister, she just called me a few minutes before we started, and she said, I might join, but what are you going to talk about today? I said, I have no clue. I have no idea. So she said, wow. And yeah, I mean, it's really that way. This is also more and more just happening, it's simply a sharing that's happening. Thoughts are happening, questions are happening, insights are happening, happiness is happening, sharing happening, music happening, love happening, life happening, just happening. If I was doing something, I guarantee you I would not have lasted more than 2-3 days. because doing is effort, doing is work, doing is effort and work. This is simply happening. हाँ, जयसुख भाई केम छो आओ. Welcome. Very good. Some new people, Suvidya, the Real Me 7. Jaisukh Bhai also, first time you're joining. If you can just quickly give your name, location, what you do, and how you are celebrating your life. So who will start? Suvidya ji, आप start कर सकते हैं. Or Jaisukh Bhai, whoever, anyone, somebody, anyone.
Yes. जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव, बोलो.
गुजरात राजकोट से.
अच्छा.
और राजकोट सेंटर से. जय
गुरुदेव. ग्रेट. क्या करते हैं?
हमारा सबमर्सिबल मैन्युफैक्चरर है.
सबमर्सिबल पंप.
पंप, हाँ, जो
सबमर्सिबल पंप
2000 फुट से भी पानी खींचता है.
हाँ.
इतना बड़ा बनाते हैं, मतलब
कितना फुट?
2000 फीट से.
2000 फुट से पंपिंग, लाइक व्हाट? ट्यूबवेल में से
वाला पानी आता है, गर्म पानी.
अच्छा.
2000 फुट से वही खींचाते हैं.
वेरी नाइस. मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं.
और
ओके. एंड
जो रूफटॉप आता है वो सोलर रूफटॉप
अच्छा.
ऊपर रहता है,
हाँ,
वही बनाते हैं,
वो भी बनाते हैं.
उसका प्रोजेक्ट भी करते हैं।
वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल. और लाइफ कभी सेलिब्रेट करते हैं?
अभी आपके साथ कर रहे हैं, जब मौका
वेरी गुड.
मिलता है, मौका
वंडरफुल,
मिलता
वंडरफुल.
है तो लेता है।
Beautiful, beautiful. All the time, all the time. Now and forever. Okay, wonderful. Welcome. So Vidya ji, aap, हाँ, if you can, yeah, good, good. So just introduce yourself and where you're from. You're on mute, I think. Sorry. You're on mute. You're still on mute. Okay,
Jai
now.
Gurudev.
हाँ, जय गुरुदेव. बोलिए.
Yeah, my name is Suvidya Patil. I'm from Bandra,
Okay.
and I was working as a fashion designer. But for some time, because of this lockdown and the COVID thing, the business is like stopped.
Okay.
So,
Right.
yes,
Wonderful.
and wonderful. Thanks to Meera Ma, she in fact told me about you,
Okay. Wonderful.
and
Wonderful.
it's very nice meeting you. I'm meeting you for
Welcome.
the first time. I'm very happy connecting with you. And
Welcome.
life
Welcome.
is
You
a
can.
celebration, I believe. Every day
Yes.
celebrating.
All the time, and not
Yes.
the party kind of celebration. Party bhi
No,
theek
no,
hai.
no.
Yeah, party is also okay, no problem. We can all party whenever we want to, but the celebration that can go on forever is the
Correct.
one where you are being you in the
Correct.
now, in the here.
True.
That
True.
moment, and each moment of that is a celebration.
Perfect.
Whenever
Yes.
you are in alignment with your true self, who you really are, all those moments are pure celebration, and that there is no limit. Parties can only last for a few hours, but
True.
this celebration of peace, of lovingness, of okayness, of joyousness is forever. Wonderful. Welcome.
Yes,
Great.
yes. Thank you so much. Thanks. Nice meeting you.
You too. And Real Me 7, who is that, please? Real Me 7 कौन है? The Real Me को तो हम ढूंढ रहे हैं भैया. आ जाओ. और रियल मी खुद आ गए हैं सामने. Wonderful. Maybe they are on mute. Okay. And video is also not on, and I don't know whether they can hear me. Real me, आप सुन रहे हैं? Okay.
Sanjeev bhai, one song before you wrap up. Huh?
Yes.
One therapy we need.
Sure. Sure. So,
Sir, I have a question.
yes. Good.
When we go low, and how do you come back to the party then?
So, where is this low happening?
All the time.
No,
all the
listen.
time is not there.
Where is this low? No, where is it? Is it any other place other than here?
Now.
No. Wait, somebody's phone, please mute rakhiye. Okay. So the low is happening here. And when is this low happening? When it happens, when does it happen? When is it experienced? The low?
During the day.
During the day. Arey Baba, when is this day happening? When is this low happening at an experiential level? Kabhi hota hai ye low?
Situation के हिसाब से.
ये आज का बात भूल गए आप. अनुभव के तौर पे ये लोक का अनुभव कभी होता है? नाव में होता है. नाव में होता है. पास्ट में कभी लो ना हुए हैं ना होंगे. There is only the now. All experience is in the now, including the low. So if your party is happening here and now, and right now you are with low, what are you going to celebrate?
Don't know.
Low जो है. So we have this
party में कैसे करें?
we have this idea that party is a धाए ढंग ढक 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 झिंग चक झिंग. Hi. Who said? Your true celebration is of peace. Your true celebration is of okayness. Your true celebration is of balance. Your true celebration is of lovingness. Your true celebration is of peace. Peace is the ultimate celebration. Love is the ultimate celebration. Truth is the ultimate celebration. And what is the truth of that moment? In the now, the truth of that moment is the low. So if the truth of that is the low, and we are about to celebrate truth, we are about celebrating what is.
So you accept that it is low.
You celebrate the low. Celebrate the low. Why do we have to distinguish and make compartments कि ये ठीक है, ये ठीक नहीं है, ये ओके है, ये ओके नहीं है, ये बहुत अच्छा है, ये बहुत बुरा है. This compartmentalization does not exist for the you that you really are. This compartmentalization is a fabrication and a manufacture of this limited entity called Sonal, called Sanjeev. लेकिन जो असल में आप है उसके लिए ना तो लो है ना हाई है. There is nothing high, there is nothing low. Everything is just what is. And what is in that moment is perfection, is perfect. It is what it is.
How do you practice it then?
How do you what?
How do you practice that? It's very
How do you
difficult.
practice it? No. How do you practice it is by remembering. Remembering. It is just by remembering, reminding yourself. ये जो भी परिस्थिति है अभी इस वक्त जो आप लो का नाम दिया है उसको, does that have anything? Does it catch me, catch the I that I am? Does it stay with me forever? Does it see that any low is not there's nothing like a permanent low, correct? The I that you are before the low, okay, the I that you are during the low, and the I that you are after the low is all the same. The low comes and goes and you are where you are. And remembering that I am that which is the space in which low is coming and going, to whom nothing happens, in whom everything is happening, for whom there is no past and no future, and only the now, for whom there is nothing but lovingness, for whom there is nothing but peace. Knowing that you are that, then that's where the party is happening. That's where the celebration is happening. The celebration we are talking about is not a function of location, time, circumstance, people, things, objects, food, music, dance, nothing. It is not dependent on any of these. So whether these are all there or they are not there, it has nothing to do with that. This celebration is of self, the celebration of I, the celebration of truth, the celebration of reality, the celebration of what is, whatever is. So when we get associated or caught up or forget, when we forget that I am that or I am this, then the low is what is happening. And there is nothing, for who you are, it makes no difference. It's all good. It's all great. It's all wonderful. It's all in the here and now. And remembering that, knowing that, you simply move with whatever is there. In the beginning, I was saying, do a waltz with this low. See, when you are in touch with yourself and you know that this low is just something that is going to come and go, what's the problem? It becomes a problem, or it is identified as a problem only because we think that I am this part of this low. I am low. I is never low. I am low is a lie. There is a circumstance going on which is happening, which is a situation which maybe you may call difficult. But the I is never low. I is only the I. I is eternally loving, eternally peaceful, eternally in joy, eternally in love, eternally in celebration. So to say I am low is itself the beginning of the lie. I am not low. I am I. And that low circumstance is something is present. Okay, what do you want to do with it? What do you want to do with this low circumstance that is present? When I say I am low, this low circumstance is now sitting on my head, on my shoulders, and pulling me down and bringing me into this, dragging me in with it. But when I see that I am never low, I do not have this quality called low. I have this quality called infinite. I have this quality called peace. And I have in my hand a circumstance called low right now, which is surely wasn't there before and which surely will not be there later. So what do I want to do with this? Celebrate. What else can you celebrate with if that is what is in front of you? Celebrate with that low. What is this low? For example, let's say a difficult, challenging situation where maybe, I don't know, maybe you are calling low a situation where, let's say, you have no money, let's say. You have lost money and you're feeling low. So lost money is a situation. I am low is a lie.
I am low. I am low is referring to that smaller low I.
Exactly. The I that we are talking about is the capital I, the big I, the I that I really am. But even there, let's not even use that vocabulary for am. Because when we want to say I am, let us use only the capital I. So all we know is that there is this situation called lack of money. Fine. So what? Celebration, when celebration is not limited to music and party and dance and food, but has to everything to do with what is present in the here and now, and which is your true nature and which is your true quality, which is of peace and love. What does that have to do with the money being less or more? It doesn't have anything to do with it. It's just a situation. So, and as far as this relative truth called this contracted self called Sonal can look at this situation called money is less and do whatever, make do with what is there, make more money or whatever. It's the choice and the freedom is yours, but the celebration continues. The celebration need not stop. The celebration of life, the celebration of I, the celebration of peace need not have any interruption. Forget about stopping. It need not get interrupted. The party goes on. The party of life, of celebrating life goes on. Now in that life celebration, maybe it's about making a new investment or making a new source of money or finding a new source of income or whatever it is. Like Suvidya, in this COVID situation, fine. It's a opportunity to discover a new, maybe what it is saying to us. Some of the lessons from this situation is that maybe, fashion is wonderful and beautiful and people like to wear beautiful clothes. But is it consistent with, or is it necessary for happiness? Is it necessary for joy? It's not. And this is what this is telling us. So maybe it's time to find something creative, which is really worthwhile, really for fashion and for style and for beautiful clothes, and nothing wrong. But I'm saying, is it really consistent with who we really are? Who we really are wants love. Who we really are wants peace. Who we really are wants joy. Who we really are does not want bling. I'm not saying fashion is bling either, so don't get me wrong there either. But so that's what it is. So think it over. Low is just a circumstance. Low is simply a situation. Low is not a reason to interrupt the celebration of I, which is of peace. So and this idea that I am not supposed to be low in order to celebrate, examine that idea itself. It's misplaced. It has nothing to do with your emotions. It has nothing to do with your situation. It has nothing to do with your circumstance. It has everything to do with who you really are, which is the substrate, the quality, the space in which all emotions are coming and going. And that is not changing.
So every emotion, whether low, high, is all depending on the situation, and we just accept the situation. Right?
No, it's not. No, it's not that way. When you are not when you don't know that this emotion itself, I'm saying go to the who you are, to which emotions are happening. The space in which emotions are happening. That space and the experiencer of all emotions, which is not dependent on any emotion, which is actually the creator of all emotions. Be there, stay there, live there, abide in that, live from there, live in there. And if you're living in there, emotions are just, it's like clouds in a sky. You are the sky. The clouds are coming and going. It's not that accept the clouds. It is not about accepting the clouds. What I'm talking about, what we are talking about, is see that you are the clear blue sky in which clouds come and go. I'm not saying just accept cloud. Chalo, cloud aa gaya. It's, oh, I'm going to accept this cloud now. Okay, the light is gone. No. Whether there is a cloud, whether there is 1,000 clouds, one cloud, or no clouds, the blue sky is the blue sky. Be that. Be that. Live from that. Live in that. Live as that. And the clouds just come and go. No problem. We are not having an issue with the clouds. We love clouds.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, zindagi gale laga le. Hey, zindagi gale laga le. हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना. ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले. ऐ जिंदगी. छोटा सा साया था, आंखों में आया था, हमने दो बूंदों से मन भर लिया. तेरा सहारा मिल गया है जिंदगी. ला 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 ला. तेरा सहारा मिल गया है जिंदगी. ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले. ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले. देखिए, ये सॉन्ग में ऐसा नहीं कहा है कि ऐ जिंदगी जो अच्छी है वो ही गले लगा ले. जिंदगी गले लगा ले. यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट सोनल जी? जिंदगी को गले लगाना है, नहीं कि अच्छे परिस्थितियों को, खूबसूरत लोगों को, अच्छी अच्छी चीजों को गले लगाने को ऐसा नहीं कहा है. जिंदगी को गले लगाना है. एंड समटाइम्स जिंदगी इज लो, समटाइम्स जिंदगी इज हाई.
Right.
जिंदगी लो है तो भी जिंदगी को गले लगाना है, जिंदगी हाई है तब भी उसको गले लगाना है. सो द गले लगाना जारी रहे. ये सब क्लाउड्स आते जाएंगे, आएंगे जाएंगे, जिंदगी को गले लगा के चलो. और दैट्स वो रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के. बट इवन दैट, see, that also gives you a thing of a hope कि कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे बाहर. अरे भाई कांटों को भी गले लगाओ यार. कांटे चुभेंगे तो एक्यूपंक्चर हो जाएगा, नो प्रॉब्लम.
आगे का ये हमने जमाने से no
Okay.
can't go. Come on.
हमने बहाने से छुपके जमाने से पलकों के पर्दे में घर भर लिया. हमको किनारा मिल गया है जिंदगी, हमको किनारा मिल गया है जिंदगी, हमको किनारा मिल गया है जिंदगी. ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले. Great.
I think it's
Wonderful.
time for
Wonderful.
Zoom Alingan.
Thank you.
Gale laga le for everybody.
Thank you.
You're on
अपने आप
mute.
को गले लगा ले, जिंदगी गले लग
You're on
गई.
mute.
या ये कोविड के जमाने ने लाइक कौन सा था वो सॉन्ग, वो ए दिल है मुश्किल, व्हाट इज इट?
जीना यहाँ
नहीं जमी पे ना सही
To
तू
Zoom.
जूम पे तो आमिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा ए दिल है मुश्किल, तो जूम पे तो आमिल. तो ये जूम, ये कोविड वाले जूम के जमाने में आलिंगन भी जूम पे ही होता है. तो जूम आलिंगन करते हैं. तो जूम आलिंगन का जो पोस्चर है, जेनिफर जी समझाइए कहाँ से शुरू करना है?
अपने आप को ही करने का.
चलिए, सो स्प्रेड योर आर्म्स लाइक दिस and then include everyone. Put a big smile on your face. Feel the happiness, joy, and love inside, and include the whole world in your arms, and give everyone a big hug. And
Okay, nice.
Jumo. This is the Zoom Alingan. Zoom Alingan Asan. Okay. So this is available anytime.
That is the Corona gift.
Gift of Corona. Great.
Corona gift.
Okay. Great. Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Wonderful.
Good night.
See you.
Bye.
The real me. We are waiting for the real me. Maybe we'll see them tomorrow.
Facility of
The real
corona.
And Pratibha Berin.
Everybody.
Bye, everyone.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
Please send me the recording.
Specialty of
Yeah.
corona is you can't go and hug anybody. You have to wish namaste दूर से.
Yeah.
दूर से नमस्ते, इसीलिए जूम आलिंगन किया ना.
Zoom Alingan is the best.
या अपने आप को, और आप जो है वही सब है. तो क्या, we are hugging everyone, the whole universe. Yeah, recording I will post definitely.
Okay.
Nilima
Thank
ji.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Everyone, you can forward these recordings wherever, whoever you want to, no problem. The Friday one from on YouTube also, that link is there. You can send to anyone, everyone. Okay. Wonderful meeting new people,
Thank you.
and see you all soon tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.